a huge chunk of frozen rice. I'm trying to break down. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Let's make lunch. We're just heating up. That'll do it. I'm wearing this really cute set. It's from Florence by Mills, Millie Bobby Brown's new fashion line. And I'm making some late lunch. It's 3 o'clock. I actually just finished therapy because your girl is back in therapy. And my gosh, I feel really good. I think I found a good therapist, which I'm really happy about. All right. Only the finest dining for me. I'm joking. I feel like I have to preface that with I'm joking. This could taste gross. We'll see. I don't know how the Whole Foods fried rice is. Besides burning hot, it's pretty good. Did I just self-tan on top of my previous spray tan? Yes. Glad you asked. I did. We're going to Toronto for a Gals on the Go live show, and I'm not getting a spray tan this time. I do like to do a good amount of prep for those shows because the more confident I feel on stage, I feel like the better I perform. I know it's kind of like a weird psychological thing, but I swear when I'm like, you know, just feeling myself, I'm able to be funnier. Any psychologist can let me know if that makes any sense. So this is my favorite self-tan. This is the Bondi Sands 1 Hour Express foam. I will link it down below for you guys. Give it a good shake. I just put it all over my body. It's 1 Hour Express. You could do it for really any time after 30 minutes and you'll see results, but I usually like to leave it on for like hour and 15, hour 30. But I have a call right now. The light at this time of day, I have like 5 minutes where it reflects and it's just like absolutely stunning, and I get like lighting this kitchen and I just love every second of it. I got sent so many sweet treats just now and I'm like kind of obsessed. Baskin Robbins, I have to put it away, but they sent me, oh my gosh, we've got ice cream for days. It's the Love Potion. Cute. Oh my god. It's an ice cream cake. I hope it's not melted. Oh my god, this is insane. It's the cutest thing. It's so pretty. Look at that. Like, tell me this isn't beautiful. That is a gorgeous cake. Oh my god. I wanted to talk about the sponsor of today's video, which is actually BetterHelp, which is fitting because we're talking about therapy a lot in this video, and we're talking about like working on yourself, which is something that's really pressing in my life this year. I have a lot of big things coming. No, but actually I just have a lot of like big goals for this year. Also working on my vision for my life. It's just like, it's overwhelming, okay? And I feel like above all else, I want to put myself first and work on me. So I put my booty back in therapy with BetterHelp. It is easy, convenient, flexible to do therapy online. BetterHelp is making therapy easier and less intimidating for a lot of people. BetterHelp lets you have therapy as a video call, a phone call, or messaging. BetterHelp can match you to one of over 30,000 therapists in their network. This is based on your needs, your preferences. It's going to give you access to this wide range of expertise that might not be available in your city. So to get started, you just go on and fill out a questionnaire. This is going to help basically learn, you know, who you are and like a little bit about you, what you're going through, you know, what type of therapist you'd like. You'll be matched with a therapist in most cases within 48 hours. You can schedule therapy at a time that is convenient for you. If you feel like your therapist isn't a great fit, this is so important in therapy. You can switch therapists at the click of a button. It's in your settings and it's at no additional cost. So you can join the over 4 million people who've used BetterHelp to start living a healthier, happier life. Click the link in the description or visit betterhelp.com/Michio. Clicking that link helps support this channel. It also gets you 10% off your first month of BetterHelp, so you can connect with a therapist and see if it helps you. Enjoy! And now back to the vlog. Hey guys, it's the next day, and I'm already ready and everything. Surprise, we're driving. I'm going to my follow-up appointment actually for my otoplasty. It's been over a week. I'm so excited to see what the doctor has to say. Probably not going to show you guys in this vlog the big reveal. It's Valentine's Day, so seeing people with the balloons and the flowers, it's so cute. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna show you guys the ears yet because they're still black and blue and swollen and a little scary looking, but they're progressively going down and they do look really good overall. So happy with that. My makeup is fully on and like a full fit and everything because we're gonna go record the podcast after this. So we have a bit of a on the go because I have been like rotting at home, I feel like, for like a week. So I'm out, baby. I was just vlogging for a full like 3 minutes without recording. That's how I'm feeling today. a little out of it. Probably because I'm hungry. I realized I forgot to eat breakfast just because I woke up and like started getting ready for the day. We're podcasting, so that's why I'm like full beat right now. But I'm trying to save money and not eat food out. You know, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna listen to my body and do that. Well, we could find like a breakfast sandwich somewhere, something chill. But I decided to drive up to my doctor's appointment because it's uptown, and I feel like parking uptown is generally a little bit easier to find. I need to touch up my lips, but overall my makeup's looking good. I used the Armani foundation. It's been great. Self-tanned yesterday, so I'm feeling good. Because we go to Toronto tomorrow. I just feel like, you know, I was like kind of chilling for a week post-surgery, whatever, and like things are picking up again now in a good way. It's funny because I feel like I always, oh my gosh, are we gonna drive today? Thank you. It's funny because I always feel like not that I dread being busy, but I like get in my head and like stressed about it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have a lot of travels coming up or whatever, but I do feel like I generally operate better when I have a busier schedule. Busier, obviously subjective. So with that being said, I'm excited to be traveling. I'm excited to have the Toronto show, and then we have the Philly show, so I'm excited to like have things, you know, going on. And then the few weeks after that, I have some work trips, I guess in March. Luckily I got here a little early, so I have time to park. I'm gonna try to find free street parking. This person just found it, so clearly it's here. Just found this little market, and I got a caprese sandwich. I do just love the Upper East Side. It's so different than other parts of Manhattan. It's so not chaotic, so bougie, so rich. And now I'm here for my post-op. I don't want to show you guys my ears. I have my hair up right now, but I feel like I want to do like a big reveal. But it looks good. All right, let's head out. I ended up changing because the jean jacket just wasn't working, but came home and quickly changed. So let's go meet Danielle and then record. Party people! I am packing now for Toronto for our live shows. I have this gorgeous Louis Vuitton bag from Vivrel. I've been loving it for travel. It's like the perfect size. It fits my laptop and everything. I'm just really obsessed. Packing my sleep mask. I'm such a sleep mask girly these days. I like really can't do life without it. I just realized I gave you guys kind of like an ear reveal. Soft launch because I'm not wearing the headband. I'll show you guys what I'm packing. I'm gonna be cold. I did a fashion pass order, so I got like this cozy sweater. I have this fit that's a fashion pass that I really want to wear, but I'm just like, I'm gonna be cold. It's like these pants with this, I love this top. Perfect thing to rent because it's like so crazy and out there. Not really, but you know, love that as a little rental moment. My go-to comfy jeans, these J. Crew ones, I can link them down below. They're like a staple for me right now. Lululemon sweat set. I just like feel like I'm forgetting things, and I'm kind of packing quick because I'm gonna bring all of this to the Valentine's Day dinner because I'm gonna leave from Ben's tomorrow. I am just so excited, guys, to live together, honestly, because the like packing and like going back and forth, it is so annoying at this point. I'm sure that you guys get it if any of you guys have passed that threshold in a relationship. Like, we've been together for 2.5 years now. This is our 3rd Valentine's Day together. I am just so ready to not have to like plan my days around like, oh well, my stuff's at my apartment, like I gotta go to his. And I'm fortunate that we're not like crazy long distance. We definitely don't live around the corner from each other, but I do have the car, which is really nice. It's not the worst case scenario. I'm just kind of bitching, but I just feel like that's gonna be like a huge time saver for me, instead of like running around having to like go back and forth, or like, oh, I have to go back to my apartment to like get an outfit for tonight. Like, I'm good. I'm set. We're just gonna have all of our stuff in one place. That's just one. Obviously, I'm so excited just to live together in general. I'm really looking forward to like sharing that experience with you guys, because I can't even believe that I'm gonna be like living with a man. I'm like, what the? That's not for a minute too. I talked about it on the podcast, but that's like later this year. But it is something that I'm like, you know, thinking about now. I'm like, oh my gosh, I probably need to stop buying so much stuff, even though I haven't been necessarily buying clothes, but I just need less stuff in general, because I'm gonna have to share my space with a whole nother human. And where is it all gonna go? Where is it all gonna go? I sent him my apartment tour and he was like, great video, love it. My God, you have a lot of stuff. Yeah, I know. I can show you guys my show outfit. Show me your muumuu. Love her. Might be a little cold, but not really. I feel like I'm always hot on the stage and like sweating and stuff, but cute. I've worn something similar from Show Me Your Muumuu. They have really cute, like just pink pieces. I love for the show. Oh, this I'm excited about. Gymshark sent me a few items, and this piece, I love like a workout tank, and this one I just think is so cool. It's like, you know, I could wear my black leggings in this and it kind of looks like it's a one piece, like nice and sleek and I could wear like a sweater, like a zip up or something with it. I feel like this will be perfect for the travel days, like kind of like the base layer. So if I get hot, I could, you know, take off and wear this. But I feel like I've been cold on planes these days. I'm hoping I'm bringing enough, but realistically, it's a really, really quick trip. I do need pajamas. I've been loving these Tommy John ones. They're just so soft. These were like our family matching pajamas this year. Oh, the podcast recording went great. We tried a different studio today. I don't know if we'll be recording there all the time, but it worked out really well. I feel like a lot of these podcast studios in New York, you kind of just book the studio time and they kind of handle everything for you, which is really nice. The production of it all, like you literally just show up and they send it to you. You're definitely on the pricier side because you like are paying for the recording time, but you kind of factor that into your cost of like, you know, is it worth it for like the production of it all and stuff. And luckily with having a second person, we split those costs. So shout out to Danielle. Having a business partner is great. I'm very lucky in a lot of ways. I'm getting those 5 minutes of sunshine again that I got yesterday. It's like a little bit more than that. It's like 15. I also need to figure out what I'm wearing tonight. And my makeup's already done, which is great, but I got sent this beautiful dress from Maj Paris, or just Maj, I think is the brand. I love it, but I feel like this needs a whole moment for like a Gals on the Go thing. Not that Valentine's Day dinner isn't a whole moment, but like I feel like I need to save that for something because this is just so beautiful. It's giving business chic. This is like me in a dress. I just love it. Definitely got to pack the pillow, the donut pillow. So it's still uncomfortable when I sleep. It's going in. I have this fabulous coat for tonight. I love it so much. This is also Show Me Your Moo. They sent me just 2 fabulous pink pieces. Now I need to figure out what I'm wearing with this because it's such a moment in and of itself. So I'm thinking maybe I could do like just a simple combination underneath. I have this cream skirt, so maybe I could do like a cream. I don't know if I like the cream with it though. I think I'm just going to like lightly amp up my makeup for Valentine's Day dinner because I already like have it on. I'm thinking maybe I could do like a little eyeshadow or something. My foundation, everything else looks pretty good. Actually, I'm really surprised at how well it's wearing. It doesn't look too like crusty or anything. Maybe just a little concealer touch-ups and stuff. But what should we do for the eyes then? I have this pretty NARS palette. It's like pinkies. I love putting a Y at the end of everything. It just makes it all sound cuter. How about this one? Gosh, I miss OG makeup tutorials. And I know that there's still a thing. Like I know that there's some people who still make them. Actually, let me know if you guys watch any OG makeup people or just like people who do that style of YouTube and who they are. Actually, I feel like it's big on TikTok now with like, what's that girl's name? Ken, like she does them, and obviously Michaela, like I feel like the big makeup girlies on TikTok do that. This is pretty. I feel like it's just like a purpley shadow.
What is that?
Kind of a lot, but make it work. I'm just here for like a totally pinky look. Ooh. I just gave a soft ear reveal. Honestly, I mean, I'll be honest. I'm a little hesitant to do the ear reveal too because right now they are uneven. One is sticking out further than the other, which is how I initially started. They definitely are both back further. They're not even. And I'm really hoping that they settle and get even because I don't want to have to do a revision, but the doctor did say that if it doesn't settle out, like, you know, she would do a revision on the one ear. So my right ear looks great. My left ear, which was the one that kind of stuck, it did stick out more to begin with. It's still sticking out, not a ton, like, but it's just like I did the whole freaking surgery. Like, let's make them symmetrical at this point. That's where I'm at, and that's also why I don't want to really do the reveal yet, because I'm like, maybe if I wait a few weeks it will go down. Sometimes a revision is necessary, but I just don't want to have to go through that whole process again, so I'm hoping that the revision will be a little less intense. This is what we settled on. Now I have to change. I kind of like reworked my whole thing, and we're gonna do black and pink, which I used to hate those two colors together, but they really have grown on me, and now I'm sold on this idea. That's on not being a fashion expert. That's on knowing your strengths. So I kind of want to wear the coat like almost as a dress because I feel like it's a whole moment. It's like a light coat too, you know, like I feel like this isn't meant to really be like, but how fabulous is this? I think it comes in other colors too. Show Me Your Moo. I'm obsessed. I feel like I want to wear it. Like a Gals on the Go photo shoot and stuff too because I love this. So I'm wearing a little black dress underneath this, but like I'm just not crazy about it being open. Like it's a lot. Like, is this too much for a little club in Jersey? What do we think? Well, it's too late by the time this video goes up. Black tights, pink little shoes that are from Maj, and I just think they're adorable. And then I have my black purse. This is like one of those outfits that I'm gonna look back on in a few years and be like, what the hell was I thinking? But in this very moment, she's giving, like, come on. Loving this, like the sleeves, oh my God, it's so fabulous. My hair is not really hairing. I do have a moment to figure out my hair, and I have this Day dry shampoo that they sent me, and I feel like that's what I need right now is a little dry shampoo. So it comes with this brush, and it's like a powder. I've been kind of anti-dry shampoo, I just feel like it makes my hair look like crusty and not it, but you know, it's pretty bad right now, so I'll take whatever. This is called like fairy dust, I think, because yeah, it shoots out like that. Like, and I'm hoping for like a little more volume too, because I feel like it's like flat on my head. Like down here it's good, but you know, kind of like you shoot it in. I think that I like it. It doesn't really weigh my hair down much, which I like. And it did not change like the texture or make it crunchy. Like it just kind of was a little touch up, which is like just what we needed. Mob Wife dupe. This is like the Mob Wife you order from Temu. I saw all those Temu ads for the Super Bowl, like the Super Bowl commercials. Never been more confused in my life. Why do they have so much money? That ad was terrible. Like, can we talk about that? But I've heard it's like an Amazon dupe. So I feel like I'm like the Mob Wife dupe. But more pink. Good morning, guys. It's the next day after Valentine's Day, and I just like realized I never ended the vlog, so I wanted to hop on my Benz and I'm gonna hang out here and then leave for Toronto. I totally realized that this sweatshirt is just stained and I washed it, so that's my doing. And I'm really upset about it because I love this set. It's a really cute skim set. I feel like I've shown it in so many videos now. It's so comfy. I love it. Yesterday we exchanged gifts and I just wanted to say that I got the most thoughtful gift. Ben is literally the best at giving me such thoughtful gifts and really showing that like people pay attention to things. And I feel like I'm a really hard person to gift shop for because I'm one of those people that's like, if I like it, like I'll just, you know, buy it for myself or whatever. But he got me these vintage juicy earrings, and they might look familiar to some of you guys because I actually wore these exact ones. These are from like the early 2000s. Definitely hard to find. I think he had to go on eBay to find them. They're the exact like style and everything. He zoomed in on the picture to see the ones that I wore for my Juicy Red Robin shoot. And I remember I came home and I was like, oh, like I really liked the earrings that I wore and it was so cool. Like I had to give them back because they were like a vintage piece or whatever. And he went and found them and he said that, you know, if I wear them or if not, it's a memento of like the time that I did that. And it was like my favorite thing that I've ever gotten to do. I literally cried. I can cry right now. Just having such an amazing partner who just actually listens to me and loves me and like does gestures like this. I feel really, really lucky. I have a very, very thoughtful boyfriend, so I'm very lucky. I hope you like this vlog. I will be doing some longer ones in the future and I want to keep you guys updated. Oh, I slept with the headband on last night. My ears were kind of bothering me. We'll talk about the ears more in the future vlogs because I want to keep you guys posted on that. I know I mentioned not being so sure on things. It's all gonna work out. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video.